How to set time limits on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is launch the TikTok app or a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply tap on the three dots or the hamburger icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Then tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, tap on the screen time option available there. Inside screen time, simply toggle on the screen time management option. You can see screen time at the top. Tap on the set screen time. Then you'll be prompted to set a daily time limit. After that, set your desired time limit. Here I am keeping it 40 minutes. Then after you do so, all you have to do is go back to the screen time settings again. Then there you can see screen time break option available. From there choose any time limit according to your preferences, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.